Hey guys, welcome back. So many great deals to talk about this week. If you're new here, every Wednesday I pop in and talk about the best deals going on over at Target and at Walmart for the week. I walk you through all the deals that I did, as well as show you deals that are also going on at the stores that you don't see here on the table. I will pop those up in pictures on the screen for you. Now, before we get into all of this, I want to briefly tell you about a company I have mentioned before, but I wanted to talk with you about it again and share a discount code with you guys. So if you are into designer fragrances, but you don't like spending designer prices, definitely check out the company Dossier. They have their own website. They also have their products available on Walmart.com, and then you can find their products in the Walmart store. So I actually ordered off of their website, and I'll drop that down below. I have a coupon code Saving Christina 5, and that will give you a 5% off. One of the reasons why I like ordering from their website is if you order 3 of their perfumes at a time, you always get free shipping. But what's even cooler is you can order completely risk-free. So what that means is if you get 3 perfumes and you don't like any of them, you can send them all back, no questions asked. If you like one of them and you don't like the other 2, you can send the other 2 back. But if you order 3 at a time, you will secure that free shipping. So the company started because they wanted people who liked designer fragrances to be able to access those at a lower price. I'm going to move my ice cream really quick. So last time I got some vanilla scents. That's my favorite. I love vanilla smells. I got the fruity brown sugar this time, which I really like. This one was based off of a YSL perfume that retails around $90. These 2 that I got are in the $29 to $39 price range. The other one I got is Spicy Vanilla. The Spicy Vanilla one, I have my little notes here, a little card that comes with it. This one is based off a Tom Ford perfume. So I was on the website and I noticed the least expensive perfume that Dossier offers is $16, and that is based off of Clinique's Happy. And I want to say that one's close to $60 on the Clinique website. So again, great prices. This time I also got treated to a candle. So I honestly didn't realize they had candles. I think this is a newer offering for them. But I remember thinking when I ordered the first time, ooh, this would be really nice to have it in a candle scent, because I have a perfume that I wear every day. I've worn it every day since I was in high school, and I don't plan on changing anytime soon. But I love, love, love how the candle smells. It's pretty strong when you're just smelling it, but I think it'll be really nice when you light it and just leave it in the room. I'm going to move this so it doesn't fall. So again, I will link the company down below if you want to shop directly from their website. There's that discount code that you can use, or you can check it out on Walmart.com or see what your Walmart store has available in store. That way you could smell it in store and you would know exactly which one you like. Before we get into any of this, I want you guys to, don't cheat, drop in the comments how much you think I spent on all of these items. So after all is said and done, and I got all of my rebates back, how much do you think I spent total at both stores? Drop it in the comments. Target had some great deals this week. Again, I'll show you what I got as well as some of the other things. But when I was there today, I got a little giddy because, and I know that sounds so dumb to get excited over clearance, but my son eats a lot of rice, and they had a ton of rice on clearance, including like the little Rice-A-Roni cups. These were marked down to $1.18. They had the Uncle Ben's Original, I think is the new name. Those were on clearance as well. 30 to 50% off a number of rices. So check your store, see if your store has those on clearance as well. I also noticed the sauces, barbecue sauce, and a number of things on that aisle were marked on clearance. This big thing of Sweet Baby Ray's was 50% off, so it was just $2.14. I was hoping for an Ibotta offer, but I haven't seen one pop up. but this is an Ibotta brand that I have seen before. Now, y'all know I love produce, and so I always go into my Target Circle app and I'm looking for produce deals. This week I saw sweet potatoes. There was a 30% off Target Circle coupon, and so I ended up paying right around 90 cents a pound for the sweet potatoes. And what I like about that is that's about what my grocery store would charge. It's actually a little bit cheaper than what my grocery store would charge. But I have gift cards for Target that I get from places like Fetch Rewards and Shopkick. And so I pay with those gift cards and I don't have any money coming out of my own bank account when I shop at Target. Now, I mentioned this deal last week. The Splenda is on sale for $5.99. There's a $2 digital coupon in the Target app. You would pay $3.99, get back $4 on Ibotta. Now, obviously, I used my $2 coupon last week from the Target app, but this week I did it again. I just paid $5.99 at the register, submitted my receipt to ShopMeum, where I got $2 back, and then the $4 back on Ibotta. You can check coupons.com app. You can check the ShopMeum app. You can only submit one product to one app, because if you submit to both of those apps, that's like double dipping and that's not allowed. Now, this one might be my favorite, and I can't pick it up because I broke into it after Pilates today. But this 6-pack of Ozarka waters. Now, these are $2.29 for the 6-pack, but Shopkick had an offer for $1.70 back. That dropped this 6-pack price of Ozarka waters down to 59 cents. So it's like 10 cents per water bottle. So for me, great to have around in the summer, and clearly I already broke into it after an exercise class today. Side note, I've been taking Pilates pretty much every day and loving it. I'm getting an amazing workout, so hopefully I will start to see some benefits of those good workouts. Now, that was all the food that I picked up. Let me see what other food. So there's a couple of food deals that are really easy. You don't even need coupons. If you're into making cocktails, the simple syrup is $2.99 sale price. The Bloody Mary mix, $3.99 sale price. The community coffee has a 40% off Target Circle offer, so that's an easy deal to do if you like that coffee. The M&M ice cream sandwiches, those were on sale, as well as a digital coupon in the app, so that brought it down to a decent price. The Simply Orange juice. Now, if you buy 2 of those, they're $3.49. If you buy 2, you're going to pay $6.98. You'll get back $1.50 on Ibotta, 75 cents back on each. Then a 50-cent bonus for buying 2 of them, making your final cost $4.98 for those orange juices, or $2.49 total. So that was all the food that I found. I believe the hot dogs that I mentioned last week, the Ballpark, those are on promotion again this week, and there's an Ibotta offer, so it's like less than $2 for a pack of hot dogs. So if you eat hot dogs, you might want to check out that deal. Now, Finish, as in addition to some laundry products and cleaning products, lots of markdowns in my store around those aisles, so check your aisles. I will put clearance pictures at the end of the video so you can see what I was seeing in my store. But this is a decent deal because there's a high value Ibotta offer as well as some digital coupons. So pick up 2 of the Finish Quantums at $7.49. There's a $1.50 digital coupon right there in the Target app. So at the register, you're going to pay $13.48. Then submit to Ibotta, where you're going to get $7 back for buying 2 of them. And then you can submit your receipt to the ShopMeum app to get $1.50 back for the other one that we purchased, leaving our final cost at $4.98 or $2.49 each. Now, I left the Dove deal until last because it's a little bit more involved. They're on promotion for buy 4, get a $5 Target gift card. So for every 4 you buy, you're going to get a $5 gift card. You see, I purchased 5 of the hand soaps at $3.99. And I purchased 3 of the Dove shampoo and conditioners at $3.99. Now, this is how the math works out. 5 and 3, there was a $2 digital for the Dove hair product in the Target Circle app. So I paid $29.92 at the register. Okay, I always use a gift card to pay, but I paid $29.92. I got back 2 $5 gift cards from the register right away. So I got a $10 Target gift card for buying 8 products. Then I submitted my receipt to coupons.com for $2 back on one of the shampoos. I had already used the $2 coupon from the Target Circle for one of the other ones, and then I submitted to coupons.com and Shopmium, whichever one I haven't said yet, for that final $2 off coupon. So essentially I used a $2 coupon on each of these. And then my Fetch Rewards had Dove offers like crazy. So check your Fetch Rewards app, because I got back $5 for spending $30 on Dove products, as well as $5 for buying 5 of the hand soaps. And then I got $2.50 back for buying 2 of the hand soaps. So that brings your cost down to $3.42, or just 42 cents each. All right, so I promise I'm gonna tell you how much all of this cost here in just a minute, but let's talk about Walmart. So I was super excited to see the Betty Crocker muffin tops on clearance at 50 cents because there is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate making them free, and it was a limit of 5. So if you see these Betty Crocker muffin tops, see if they're on clearance at your store. Mine had them at 50 cents. I picked up 5 of them. My store had a bunch, and I got 50 cents back on each of those, making these completely free. Another clearance deal, and I thought this was funny because I was chatting with one of you guys earlier today, and we were talking about this brand. I think it was over on Instagram, and I said, you know, I remember really enjoying the Poppables, but I've been trying to eat healthier, so I haven't been buying these things. Well, I did buy this because I made $1 buying it. These sea salt caramel Poppables were on clearance for $1. And Ibotta had a rebate back for $2, making them free, and a $1 moneymaker on this ice cream. Now, what do I want to tell you about next? The Philadelphia cream cheese. So this is a good one because I don't feel like this is a deal we see very often. You can do this deal at any store. Just double check and make sure you still see it in the Swagbucks app. The Swagbucks app has an offer for $4.50 back when you buy 2 Philadelphia cream cheeses. And these at Walmart are $2.98 each. So 2 of them is going to cost you $5.96. Submit your receipt, you get $4.50 back, making it $1.46 for both of them, or just 73 cents each. Now this I posted, I think I put it to the community tab last week, but you can snag a completely free Pedialyte. Not only is the product free, but it covers your tax as well. So I'll link that for you down below. But all you do is you pick up one of the liter Pedialytes. When you check out, you scan a barcode and it takes the full purchase price off. So I snagged that guy. I know I told y'all I don't drink soda typically, but I did try these. I actually thought they were pretty good. So I picked up 2 more because it's a 50% off offer. You pick up 2 of these at $3.48. You get $3.48 back on Ibotta. So it's a 50% savings there. And I thought it would be nice to have around for this summer when there will be more people coming in and out of the house. The Axe body wash. So this is $5.97. There's a $3 rebate on Ibotta, dropping it to $2.97. My Fetch Rewards had an offer for $2 back, bringing my cost down to 97 cents. If you have manufacturer coupons, you can absolutely use those as well. I did not have any, so 97 cents for me final cost. I don't feel like I got as many things at Walmart this week as I have been in the past, but I thought Target was exceptionally good. Now, this one was a great moneymaker, and I feel all fancy because it's called Sir Kensington's. This is the chili lime crema everything sauce. These are $4.96 a piece. Pick up 2 of them. Now, when you pick up 2, you will get $6 back on Ibotta, as well as a 50-cent bonus on Ibotta for buying 2 of them. Now, Fetch Rewards gave me $1.80 back for each of them, which is what my offer was, but it actually picked up 3 of them for some reason. So my Fetch Rewards gave me $5.40 back when really it should have been $1.80 less than that. But I also submitted, that's already a moneymaker right there, but I also submitted my receipt to the Makina app because I have that app and I use it, and I got 50 cents back there as well, dropping my final cost to be free and a $2.48 moneymaker. Again, check Ibotta, make sure the offer's there, check Fetch Rewards, make sure the offer's there. If you want to start using the Makina app, that app has more organic and natural type products, similar to Merryfield, which I've talked to you guys about. I have a referral code for Makina. If you want to use it, feel free to use it. But I don't use that app nearly as often as I use apps like Ibotta and Fetch Rewards. But why not? I bought the product. I may as well submit it there. Anything else? The Dr. Pepper, this one I purchased for the last few weeks, but Shopkick just keeps putting that offer there, and my store carries the 1.25 liter, and so this ends up being like less than 10 cents for this thing of Dr. Pepper, which is just an incredible price and never a bad thing to have around. I don't drink it. I think Dr. Pepper tastes gross, but don't come at me. Especially the Texans out there, don't come at me about me saying Dr. Pepper tastes gross. Now, hopefully you didn't cheat. I didn't add it up exactly, but I know that my final cost for all of these items, after all is said and done, less than $15. Less than $15, all of these items. I thought that was pretty incredible. I won't keep you guys any longer. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I will show pictures of Target items that I found on clearance first, followed by items that I found at Walmart on clearance. Hope you guys are having a great week. Thanks.